If you want to unlink your X account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open X app. Launch the X app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon or labeled as settings. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the settings menu, locate the section for linked accounts or social media connections. This is where you can manage connections with other platforms like Facebook. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Once you find Facebook in the list of linked accounts, select it. You should see an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to unlink your Facebook account. Confirm your choice to complete the process. After following these steps, your X account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider checking the help section of either platform for further assistance.